Alright, so we are going to graph g of x equals x squared plus 3. This is a function notation. It's basically the same thing as saying y equals x squared plus 3. So here's our input-output table. Our input is our x's, our output are our y's, or g of x. And this graph right here is in vertex form. Vertex form, remember, is y equals ax minus h squared plus k. So here we do not have an h value. There's nothing inside the parentheses, no shift left to right. But we do have a k value outside after the squared, or outside the parentheses, which is going to go up 3. So this graph is going to shift up 3. So our vertex here is going to be 0, since it does not shift left or right, 3. And we're going to put that in the middle of our table, because we're going to want some points to the left of that and some points to the right of that so that we get a nice symmetrical parabola. So we need a point to the left, -1 and -2, and points to the right, 1 and 2. And so we're going to plug that into our equation, x squared plus 3. So we're going to do -2 squared plus 3. Again, make sure that's in parentheses. -2 squared is 4, plus 3 is 7. -1 squared plus 3 is -1 squared is +1, plus 3 is 4. 0 squared plus 3 is 3, so that's right. 1 squared plus 3 is 4, and 2 squared plus 3 is 7. So now we have our ordered pairs that we can graph. -2, 7, -1, 4, 0, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 7. My sheet has gotten a little cluttered here, but we can still see it makes a nice symmetrical parabola with a vertex of 0, 3 and an axis of symmetry of right down the middle, which is x equals 0.